Normal, let me be very honest. Everywhere I look, people keep throwing around words like AI, digital marketing, funnels, automation, and passive income. For someone watching this who's not from the tech world, it all feels like one big confusing mess. Can you simplify this for us? What exactly is digital marketing? What role does AI really play in it? And when people talk about funnels and passive income from digital products, what do they actually mean in plain English?
Oh, slow down. Huh? That's a loaded question. So many questions in one. Let me try to give you a quick answer. Okay, your question about digital marketing. So, digital marketing is the modern day word of mouth marketing, but you use online resources. You use things like email marketing, you use social media marketing, you use YouTube, you use Facebook, Twitter, whatever works with you, and then also it involves SEO, search engine optimization, SMO, social media optimization, and now there's the new one, which is the what do you call this, chat GPT optimization, or what they call GEO. Okay, generative optimization, that's what they call it, right? So that's part of digital marketing for you. And what's the role of AI has got a big role to play because it simplifies the entire process, automates the entire process, saves a lot of time. So AI is brilliant in that part. And you're talking about funnels is a very deep topic, but let me give you a quick brief on that. Funnel is the technique used today to market a product. It's not easy to market a product just by providing a link to a prospective client. They're not going to buy. So first you have to go through the steps of the funnels. You have to engage with them. You have to open the topic, and then you start off, let's say, with a video or a post, and then then they interact with you as a DM or comment or whatever. You reply that, then you get them onto your mailing list. You put them on a regular mailer sequence, and eventually the funnel goes 4 to 5 steps deep, and finally at the end of the funnel, the prospective client may convert. Okay, so it's a complex process, but funnel marketing is a must in today's day and age. And what is passive income from digital products? Okay, now first you have to understand what is a digital product. A digital product is a downloadable product, digital like software. Most common example for that is SaaS products. SaaS is a software as so it's SaaS, software as a service. So that's the most common example of a downloadable digital product, right? But there are a lot of other examples of digital products. There are many marketplaces which only sell digital products, downloadable and various types. So that's what, people make a lot of passive income, means because once a product starts selling and you start getting regular free traffic on that website or a web page or whatever, it's going to keep converting for months on months, and then that becomes like passive income, because the profit or whatever you make out of that sale is going to be coming to you repetitively. Okay, so that's I think that's the quickest reply I've given to a complex question.
If someone is listening to this today and feels overwhelmed by all of it, AI, funnels, digital products, what should their very first step be? You've been doing this for a long time. What's one simple starting move you'd recommend?